Here's lesson 5.9, subtraction using think addition and doubles. There were some plates in the cabinet in here. Matthew took out 5 large plates with a blue edge. Now there are 7 plates in the cabinet. How many plates were in the cabinet before? So we know there's 7 in there now, but before we don't know how many were in there. And he took 5 out. What information helps us solve the problem? Well, we need to know that he took out 5 plates. We don't really need to know that they're large or with a blue edge. We need to know that there were some in the cabinet before, and we need to know that there's 7 in the cabinet after he took those out. What addition equation can we write to match the story, and what subtraction equation could we write? I could write 7 plus 5 equals something to show it as addition. I could write that something minus 5 equals 7 to show it as subtraction. The unknown number is the same in both equations. I could count on from 5 up to 7, or I'm sorry, we could count, we could do 7 plus 5 to figure out that total, or we could do the subtraction equation. But let's start at 7 and count, let's add 5. That'll give us our missing number. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Draw dots to help you complete the subtraction fact, then complete the related addition fact. So you're given some 2 equations. You have subtraction, you have addition here. We have a total of 13. We know that 13 is the total because it's the largest number. And you're given one of the parts, which is 6. So we could count on from 6 up to 13, and that will give us our missing number. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That gives us 7. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 13 minus 6 equals 7. Another way to do that without using my fingers, so I can do it in my head, I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12, so that's a doubles fact. 6 plus 6 equals 12. If I change that 6 to a 7, that adds 1 more to the equation, to the total. So that's a doubles plus 1. 6 plus 6 plus 1 is 13. That tells us that 6 plus 7 must also be 13. So try to use doubles to help you wherever you can. Okay, let's look at the next page. Draw dots to help you complete the equations. So we have 10 minus 6. We have a subtraction equation and an addition equation that's totally blank here. We know that our total is 10 because that's what the subtraction equation starts with. We know that one of our parts is 6. So I'm going to put the total down here, one of the parts, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That tells me that our missing amount is 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay. And then for number 3, write a subtraction equation to match each word problem. Remember, during our lesson, I crossed this off. I want you to figure out the unknown amount. Okay, so figure it out. You guys can do this. Arlene bought 16 stickers. She used 9 of them. How many does she have left? So our equation is going to be 16 minus 9 equals, and then you figure that out. Beth has 7 books fewer than Joel. Joel has 15 books. How many books does Beth have? So we need to start with 15, take away 7, and that will tell us how many books Beth has. Sandra put 6 muffins on a plate. The plate can hold 14 muffins. How many more muffins can Sandra fit on the plate? So to get that amount, we can do 14 minus 6, and that'll tell us how many more muffins she can put on the plate. Sharon and Stephen have 12 berries together. Stephen has 5 berries. How many berries does Sharon have? So altogether they have 12. If we take away the amount that Stephen has, that will tell us how many Sharon has. And then you guys have some puzzles down here to complete. Complete each equation in the picture on the left, then write different numbers to complete the equations on the right. So you're given some of the numbers in this puzzle. With this one, you get to put in your own numbers and see if it works. Okay, let me know if you guys need help.